welcome back to my channel. I'm Audrey, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. And give me a big thumbs up and comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Today, I'm going to be making cream puffs. So first, you have to add in the butter. Butter, some more butter. Butter and salt. And water. Is that good enough for a cup? And now you heat it until it boils. Oh, and by the way, you have to, if you wanted to make this, you have to add 12 tablespoons of butter, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a cup of water. And now you have to add the flour. 1 cup. 1 cup. I like to use gluten-free flour. And 1 cup of flour. Nice. All good. Nothing happened except flour burning. And it's all mixed and all good. It smells like toast. Goes up the candle. Some flour burnt, and that's okay. And now we'll be cleaning up all that, and we'll see you back with the eggs. Now we're going to add the doughy mixture. And when we were gone, I cracked all the 4 eggs and preheated the oven to 400. So now I'm going to set this over here. And now I'm going to start the stand mixer. Low. So I can say that. I am mixing it because we're trying to get all the steam out before getting the eggs. It's pure butter. Yeah, and doing it. Now we're going to add each egg one at a time. And then before, like all the eggs, just combine before I add it. And the next one. Now I'm going to add in the next one. And now I'm going to add in the next one. And now I'm going to go put this over here. And now I'm going to mix. We'll see you back when it stops mixing. So now I'm going to skip all the stuff off. I'll see you back after I get all this stuff. Now with an ice cream scoop, I'm going to scoop them into the muffin pans. Okay, I'll see you back after all this is in the oven just clicked on to 400. My muffin tins are ready. Now let's put them in the oven. I'll be back after they cook. Look how these cream puffs turned out. So puffy. So good. Now we're going to make our chocolate ganache. 4 scoops of butter. 1. Actually 3. Okay, I think that's all the butter. I added big scoops. If it doesn't go out, it's fine. It'll be thick. Now, a cup of chocolate chip. If we get more in there, it's fine. It's going to be extra chocolate chip. I'm going to add a little extra because the big one I took out. 2. And then put it in the microwave. For 1 minute. Seems like it's already melting on the butter. Seems so easy. Twenty, 19, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. junk in them. They're going to look like this. Great. I almost did on that. We might have to make more because and then they're going to harden, and then it'll be all delicious and goodness. Look at this. What's wrong? Ta-da! This one needs more. And right before you serve it, you add in a scoop of ice cream. Cut it in half. This took me about an hour. Bye! Please subscribe, click the notification bell, give me a big thumbs up, comment down below what should I bake next time, and comment down below if you enjoyed my video. Bye.